friends, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we are going to see how to make lesson plan, and topic for today would be energy. So this is our lesson plan for today. And friends, if you're watching me for the first time, then you can subscribe my channel. If you want B.ed related video, you can subscribe my channel. You will get more B.ed related notes also in this channel, and PDF also. So if you need PDF, then what you will have to do is you just have to comment me in the comment section below, and you will all get the PDF of this lesson plan or notes also. So here you can see previous knowledge. So for previous knowledge we have to write what students are already aware of. So students have like little bit knowledge about energy. They have little bit knowledge about energy. General aim, so to let them know about various sources of energy. Here you can see, and for specific objectives we can like write same as we have written here in general aim. So specific objectives we have to write like whatever our aim are, objectives behind teaching this subject topic, we have to write all those things here in specific objective. And for teaching aids we can write chalk, duster, model, flex chart, rolling board, whatever we teaching aid we are basically going to take help while teaching, we have to write all those things. And for introduction part, friends, it is the most tricky part of our lesson plan. So we can write like 5 question would be enough, to not exceed more than that. So friends, here you can see first question, why do we eat food? Student will answer, we eat food for energy. Why do we need energy? We need energy for to do our daily work, like daily activities. Do all living things need energy to live? Then student will answer yes. What is atomic energy? It would be problematic. Mention various sources of energy. It would be problematic for students. So friends, here after that we have to kind of announce our topic. We have to say, students, I am going to teach you topic energy, and after that we have to write the same topic on blackboard also. Here you can see presentation part. So presentation 1, here you can see what is energy, we have to teach to students. Sources of energy also we have to teach to students. So for like 10 minutes we have to explain everything properly to students. After that we have to ask a question related to that. Whatever we have taught them, basically we can ask a question related to that. So here I have added 4 questions, and here is the answer that we expect from students. And here is blackboard work. So you have to write all the main points that we actually think that is kind of we basically want to highlight. Here skills. So after explaining properly, teacher has to explain with help of chart, student observing chart, and for teaching it we can write like chart. Same thing we have to repeat again for presentation 2. So here also we have to kind of explain everything properly for like 10 minutes. Here you can see, and after that we have to explain we have to ask a question to students. So here you can see answers also, and here you can see blackboard work of our presentation part 2, presentation 2. Here you can see presentation, you can see overall look of our presentation part. Here is the rest part of presentation 2. So here you can see the rest part of our explanation basically. So here you can see we have to explain everything properly. Here you can see rest part of our question number 3, question number 4, and here is the answer that we expect from students. And here is blackboard work. We have to write all things on blackboard also. So for skills, teacher once again has to explain everything again to students with help of chart. Recapitulation, you can see here I have added here 4 question would be enough. And you can ask question whatever you have taught for like 20 minutes. You have to ask question to students, and here is our answer. Student will give this answer to teacher. So this is our overall look. Here is the last part, application and evaluation. So for that, fill in the blanks you can give to students. I have added here 5 question, 5 fill in the blanks. Home assignment, so teacher will have to give home assignment to students for their perfection of knowledge. So friends, this was for today. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video with another B.ed related topic. If you want to ask me anything, comment me. If you need PDF, then comment me in the comment section below. We will meet in next video with another B.ed related topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.